In this video, you will see how to make heading underline in Word document like this. It's very easy. First, cite the header. Then just click next to the header text, and under the Home tab, you will see the option of borders and shading here. Go to the borders and shading, and you will see this dialog box. Make sure you have clicked on the borders tab and then click on box. Now this is the type of lines that you will be seeing here. So if you want a dash or a dotted underline, you can select it. I am selecting here solid black line, and color. From here select the color you want. So I am selecting here, for example, blue color, just to show you. You will see the preview here, and because we don't want the other borders, we will just click on this top border, left and right border to remove them. So we are left with the bottom border only. Under the width, select the thickness of the border. So in this case, I am selecting 3 points. And next to apply to, make sure you have selected paragraph and then click on OK to get the underline. Note that after you give the underline, you may not be able to type below the underline. If you want to type below the underline, make sure before you apply the underline, you just type something. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved to your problem. And don't forget to check out these videos if you want to learn more about thesis writing in Microsoft Word document. See you again in the next one.